GMGM everyone, this is Kunal and today I'll show you how you can use Digest Club dashboard to schedule your posts and replies, create your own agent and do much more things on Twitter. So simply log in first. If you don't have account, you can create your account. Okay, after logging in, so simply go to the configuration and you can see that my account is connected over here. So you can simply now my account is disconnected, so I'll show you how you can connect your account. Simply connect. this is this has opened, and let's say you would want to have some other account which is logged in into your system and you want to use that account and you're not able to, so simply click the link here, open the incognito tab, paste the link, and you will get this sign in window where you can add your credentials. So now my account is here, so I'll simply use it. Okay, so now my account is connected. So the next thing would be coming to the accounts. So here you will see all your scheduled posts, your replies, your engagement, whatever activity you have done, you'll be able to see here. So how you can create post is pretty simple. You can simply click on create post. Hi, this is Kunal, and create thread, add images, but not. So the post creation part is pretty simple. It's like any other scheduler, and this kind of scheduler you can find it even on Twitter now. So moving to next part, you can go to the list. So here we are listening to a lot of people as of now, and these are the folks that are available with our list. You can simply filter these folks from here and then add it in your list. So what happens here is when you add people in your list, you are basically want to do some engagement with them. You would either want to reply to them, or you would either want to repost their content or do something. So that's why you add these people. So these are maybe the prominent people or the KOLs who you want to engage with. You simply add them to your list and you will find them here. Okay. So the list is created now. So the next thing would be how you can create your own agent. What would be the steps? Simply go to the API integration. Here you will find three webhooks. First one is the webhook which you receive whenever your list posts something. So simply go to N8N, create workflow, and add webhook node here. Click on post production URL, copy. Make sure that you are using the post production URL and simply go to the webhook. You will not find any webhook here like this. Okay. What you have to do, you have to paste the webhook here and click on save. If you want to test this webhook, listen and let me just test it. Okay, so webhook is working fine. So how it will work? Whenever your list posts something, you will start getting the webhook notifications here. After that, you can either save them in Supabase or any other Airtable, wherever you want, to make sure that you can use them in the later stage. The next thing would be the mention agent. So you can have you can add three usernames, up to three usernames here, and your webhook URL. So what will happen whenever these account post something, this webhook will get alerts. So the last thing would be the keyword tracking. You simply add the keywords you would want to track. You can add up to 5 keywords, comma separated, and simply add your webhook URL. Whenever these keywords are being found, you will get the notifications, and so that you can take actionables. So the next thing would be what would be those actionables, what you can do using the tool. So as you know that content creation on Twitter or any social media is pretty cluttered using any no code or like make.com and N8N. So we are trying to simplify that process. So here we have multiple endpoints of Twitter. So soon we'll be adding LinkedIn, Reddit, and Threads support here as well. So for now, let's say you have received a webhook from a particular individual. Let's say Elon Musk has posted something. Now, you would want to either reply to that post with image, without image. You would want to create a new post with image, without image. You would want to create a thread, or you would want to create a code repost of that particular post. So you can use any of these API, and simply, let's say you want to use post without image, you simply copy the curl, you go here, you add the HTTP node, you import the curl, done. Now, simple things you have to change is the status here. So in status, you can have unlimited draft scheduled. So as you saw here, the drafts would look like this. So these are drafts, and you get unlimited drafts. You can create your own agent, and you can test it out, the responses, how your prompts are working before directly going on production environment or directly scheduling your content on social media. That's the first thing which you see here. You can also filter it, and let's say you don't want fully automation, you want someone in your team or your social media guy to have some manual intervention to look at the content which is being generated first before replying. So you can simply click, let's say this is the reply generated. Either you can edit it and save changes, or I edit it and schedule it, or you can simply click on open in X. Your account will be redirected and it is ready to reply. So that's one thing which you can do. And you can also create comments with images. Let's say you have image file or image URL, you can simply add the image URL or file text here, and you will be able to create the post or comment with image. So the issue which we face a lot in creating content online using automation is that we have to use a lot of Supabase or a lot of Airtable to to keep the records. Okay, so I have replied to this particular conversation 15 minutes back, so do not reply to this conversation again. Or I have already created a post about this, so make sure that do not create a post about this. So these kind of things. So to make sure that your agent has some context when you are creating your own agent on Anyten. Uh, so we have also given out the APIs. So the APIs which I was talking about is this. If I go here, click on APIs. So these are get account tweets. So this will retrieve all the scheduled and published uh, posts from our account. You can retrieve all the posts based on the time stamp. The next one would be get tweets by username. So let's say you would want to see that, okay, have I responded to Elon Musk? How many times I have responded to Elon Musk? So those kind of things you can simply get using these APIs. The next would be the account limits. So we need to make sure that your account is always under the permissible limits by Twitter. So that's why we have added this account limits, where you will find all your account limits, because you can be on different tiered plans. You can track your limits here to create your own agent accordingly. And soon we are giving out the MCPs so that you can create your own Twitter agent easily using the prompts only and using our MCP server. You can simply using our MCP server, you will have to simply write the prompt to AI agent like, hey, engage with these folks and make sure that do not reply to someone who have just replied in last 30 minutes. Simply add the prompts and your account will do the actionable using our MCP server. So these are the things which we are building, and we are live with Twitter, and we are working to go live on LinkedIn, Reddit, Thread, and other platforms as well. So this particular use case is good for those agencies maybe or reply guys who to help them get their output. So this platform supports almost 100 replies a day, and we have seen clients generate almost a million impressions in a month just by replies. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question, any doubt, and also join the Telegram community. So we are also building in public now on Twitter, and hoping for the best. Do support us. Thank you.